There's something truly magical about a banana plant. It's more than just a plant. It's a statement, a feeling, an instant vacation for the eyes. Its enormous, paddle-like leaves instantly transform any garden into a lush, tropical escape. They create a sense of abundance and vibrancy, turning even the smallest space into a personal paradise. Even on a gray day, their bold foliage brings drama. The sheer size and texture of the leaves stand out against the muted tones, adding a touch of the extraordinary to an ordinary day, and a sense of adventure to your space. It's like stepping into a different world, a place where the air is thick with humidity and the sounds of exotic birds fill the air. Banana plants are statement makers, perfect for sparking conversation. Their unique appearance is sure to draw attention and admiration, making them a great addition to any social gathering, and adding a touch of the jungle to your home. They evoke a sense of wildness and freedom, transporting you to a faraway land without ever leaving your backyard. You don't need a huge garden or a glass house. Many varieties thrive in pots on a sunny patio, bringing a touch of the tropics to even the smallest urban balcony, or tucked into a sheltered border, where they can add a touch of exotic flair to a traditional garden setting. The gentle rustle of their leaves is soothing, a daily reminder of nature's energy and beauty. It's a subtle but powerful connection to the natural world, a moment of peace in a busy day. Their rapid, exuberant growth is a joy to watch. They seem to grow before your very eyes, a testament to the power and resilience of nature. Each new leaf unfurls with visible enthusiasm. It's a symbol of new beginnings, a reminder that there's always something to look forward to. Beyond their looks, banana plants create a unique atmosphere, a private oasis for morning tea or evening relaxation. It's a place to escape the stresses of daily life and reconnect with yourself and nature. They encourage bold, creative planting and inject fun into your gardening. They inspire you to experiment with different textures, colors, and shapes, creating a garden that is truly unique and personal. If you've ever dreamed of an exotic flair, bananas are easier than you think and incredibly rewarding. The satisfaction of watching them grow and thrive is unmatched, a testament to your gardening skills and dedication. This guide will walk you through choosing, planting, and caring for your banana plant. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, you'll find everything you need to start your own tropical adventure. So, get ready to embark on a journey of discovery and create a garden that is both beautiful and fulfilling. It all begins with a single plant and can end with a magnificent specimen that brings joy for years. It's an investment in beauty, tranquility, and a connection to the natural world. Ready to get started? Let's dig in. Banana plants crave sun and warmth. Give them both, and they'll thrive. Choose the sunniest, most sheltered spot you have. A south-facing wall is ideal for extra heat. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily for vigorous growth. In cooler climates, grow bananas in large containers so you can move them indoors for winter protection. Soil is key. Bananas are hungry, thirsty growers and need rich, fertile, well-drained soil. Mix in plenty of organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to boost nutrients and retain moisture. Good drainage is essential. Bananas hate soggy roots. If your soil is heavy, add grit or sand to improve structure. Prepare the ground well before planting. It's the best gift you can give your banana. The right spot and soil set the stage for a healthy, thriving plant. Now let's choose your perfect banana. With your spot ready, it's time to pick your banana plant. Musa Basju is a hardy favorite for UK gardens, growing fast and lush, even outdoors with winter mulch. For pots or small spaces, try a dwarf variety like Dwarf Cavendish, the same type as shop-bought bananas. Look for healthy, upright plants with strong leaves and no signs of pests. Banana plants are often sold as small pups or dormant rhizomes. Pups at least a foot tall with roots are best for quick establishment. Pot-grown plants are easiest for beginners, giving you a head start. Consider your space and ambitions. Do you want a towering border plant or a compact fruiting variety for your patio? Ask for advice at the nursery if you're unsure. Choose a plant you're excited to nurture and watch grow. Planting day marks the start of your tropical garden, a day filled with promise and the anticipation of homegrown bananas. It's a significant step in creating your own tropical paradise. Dig a hole twice as wide, giving the roots ample space to expand and establish themselves. and make it 1.5 times as deep as the pot. Bananas love room to spread their roots and thrive. This extra depth ensures proper drainage and prevents root binding. Mix the excavated soil with plenty of compost, enriching it with organic matter. Or use well-rotted manure for a nutrient-rich base, providing essential elements for healthy growth and robust fruit production. This organic boost will set your banana tree up for success. Add a handful of slow-release fertilizer for steady feeding, ensuring a consistent supply of nutrients over time. Gently remove the plant from its pot, being careful not to damage the delicate roots. Keeping the root ball intact is crucial for a smooth transition. A healthy root system is the foundation of a thriving banana plant. Place it carefully in the hole so the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Don't plant too deep, as this can lead to stem rot and hinder growth. Proper depth is key. Backfill with your enriched soil, gently filling the space around the root ball. Firming gently to remove air pockets, ensuring good contact between the roots and the soil. Water thoroughly to settle the soil, helping it to compact and provide stability. And help the plant recover from transplant shock, minimizing stress and encouraging new growth. For the first few weeks, keep the soil consistently moist as roots establish, providing the necessary hydration for healthy development. This careful start sets your banana up for success, laying the groundwork for a bountiful harvest in the future. With the right foundation, your plant will soon take off, growing rapidly and producing lush foliage. Now let's keep it growing strong, ensuring it receives the care and attention it needs to flourish. On to watering and feeding, the next crucial steps in nurturing your banana tree to its full potential. Bananas are giant herbs with rapid growth. They need lots of water and food. Keep soil consistently moist during the growing season, watering deeply so roots grow strong and deep. In hot weather, daily watering may be needed. Check soil moisture a few inches down. Water early morning or evening to reduce evaporation. Start feeding a month after planting. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks in spring and summer. Dilute fertilizer as directed and apply with water for lush, healthy leaves. As autumn arrives, reduce watering and feeding growth slows, and overwatering can cause root rot. For potted bananas brought indoors, water sparingly in winter. Careful water and food management is the secret to a thriving banana. Next, let's talk about mulching and managing your plant as it grows. Healthy habits now mean a spectacular plant later. Mulching is a game changer for bananas. Spread a thick layer of compost or bark around the base, but keep it off the stem. Mulch locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, and feeds your plant as it breaks down. If planting more than one banana, space them 6 to 8 feet apart for air circulation and healthy growth. Good spacing prevents disease and gives each plant room to shine. As your banana matures, you'll see new shoots, called suckers, emerge at the base. Too many suckers drain energy from the main plant. Keep the strongest as a replacement and remove the rest. Sever unwanted suckers with a sharp spade below soil level. Pot up removed suckers to grow new plants or share with friends. With mulch, space, and sucker management, your banana will thrive. Now let's see what happens as your plant matures. Watching a banana grow is an incredibly rewarding experience. It's a journey that unfolds before your eyes, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Within just a single season, a seemingly small pup can transform into a towering, dramatic feature in your garden, a true spectacle of growth. It's amazing to witness how quickly they can reach for the sky. This fast growth makes bananas perfect for introducing new gardeners, especially kids, to the wonders of plant life. They'll be amazed at how quickly their efforts yield visible results. With bananas, there's always something happening, some new development to observe. Whether it's a new leaf unfurling or the plant simply growing taller, there's always a sign of life and progress. In warm, sheltered spots, certain varieties like the popular dwarf Cavendish thrive particularly well. These varieties may even flower and produce fruit within a year, offering a delightful surprise for the patient gardener. The appearance of the large purple flower is a truly magical moment, a sign that your banana is thriving and ready to reward you. This is followed by the development of rows of tiny bananas, those adorable little fingers forming on the bunch, provided that conditions are just right. But even without the promise of fruit, bananas add a unique architectural structure to your outdoor space. They bring drama, a touch of the exotic, and a vibrant tropical vibe to any garden, transforming it into a lush paradise. They're fantastic conversation starters, always drawing attention and sparking curiosity, and they become a source of immense pride for any gardener. Nurturing a banana plant connects you deeply to the changing seasons, to the rhythms of nature, and to the delicate balance of the environment. It also brings the simple, pure joy of growing something beautiful and useful with your own hands. So, don't be intimidated by the prospect of growing your own bananas. Just find a sunny spot in your yard or garden. Take the time to properly prepare your soil, and then give it a try. You might be surprised at how easy and rewarding it can be. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a small balcony, there's definitely a banana variety that's perfectly suited for you and your space. With a little bit of care and attention, you'll be able to create your own little slice of the tropics, right in your own backyard. And the satisfaction of watching your banana plant reach for the sky, growing taller and stronger each day, is truly immense and fulfilling. So, start your banana growing adventure today. We're confident that you won't regret it. It's a journey filled with wonder, beauty, and the simple joy of connecting with nature.